Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about returning nil. So you will ask, what's a nil? And I will answer to you that nil is something that does not exist. So today I'm going to show you how to return nil. So first let's open baseplate. And first we need to create a script. In script you will write print some variable which we don't have. And it should print us nil. So first we're going to workspace script, writing here print exit, and let's play. So as you see, it printed nil. But if we come over here to script and write, for example, exit equals 3, and when we run, you will see that it prints 3. So it means that without this exit, it will print nil. And nil means something that does not exist. So this was all for today, my friends. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.